Hey there YouTube, so I'm back with my Martha's Vineyard mini vacation part 2 Chappaquiddick. I'm sure you guys have been waiting for this. Part 1 was released a little while ago, and now I'm finally spitting out part 2. So hope you guys enjoy. So here we are waiting aboard the Chappaquiddick Ferry. You can pick this up in Edgartown, and this will take you over to the little island. I guess there's supposedly some really good fishing on the other side of the island, so we're about to check it out and head over there. We're just waiting for our turn to board, and we can load up and get on the ferry. So this ferry ended up costing $16. I believe it was $12 round trip for a car and a driver, and another $4 round trip for another passenger.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Any passengers with you?
Yep, right here.
Just you. Okay. Yep. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures of Mr. Washington and a return ticket.
Thank you, sir. Oh, that's really scary. Yeah. Just a little anxiety right now.
Why?
What do you mean? We're on a potato chip right now, going over the.
Well, one thing I'm not afraid to admit, I was a little nervous going over. I mean, this ferry was pretty small. I mean, it's probably maybe 80 feet, maybe 100 feet long, and it fits three cars on it, or 2 trucks in a car. And goes across a narrow channel and just drops you. But I was a little nervous because I was really close to the edge of the ferry. I know there's a rope going across, but if you've never been on something like this before in your vehicle, you get nervous. It's a little nerve-wracking.
No, you put some things on your car so we're floating.
Yeah, I got the Go-Go Gadget flotation tires on. Yeah, these are flotation.
Inspector Gadget. Look at that, we're floating. We're floating, folks.
Hey, look at that. Who would have known that?
Hendrick's truck floats.
Who would have known that my truck floats on water? Look at that.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. I can't do this. I'm such a
A little nauseous right now.
Just a little.
Just sitting in a truck driving and going over the water when you're on this little tiny ferry.
I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah. It looks like we're gonna crash into the. Oh my God! We're gonna hit the dock.
Kendrick, get some buffering.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
How's that? Oh yeah.
We only have to do this one more time. Right?
Oh yeah. How's that? Oh yeah. Right in there. You hear those tires squishing between there, bouncing off the walls.
I wonder if anyone's ever fallen off of this.
I don't really want to think about it. Oh no.
The other thing is that if you don't get out of there, people start running down.
Am I good to go? All right. Thank you. How was that?
Oh, set.
Is that a little scary or what? Sure hope so. This is the ocean front, so
We're heading down Chappaquiddick, the ocean front, which faces the Atlantic Ocean. So we had a little bit of a ride once we got off the ferry, making our way down some roads, a few mile, probably about 5 or 6 mile, maybe a little longer of a ride, until we got over to the sand.
exercising. You can tell how out of shape I really am. Oh, I feel like a human mule. Yeah, fun stuff. Vacation is supposed to be easy. This is not easy.
So we made our way out to Chappaquiddick Beach, which is right around the point, and we set up a couple chairs and a tent and enjoyed the beach and took on some fishing.
I've got pictures and all
I had
kinds
to make sure I landed that sea robin quick because he was trying to suck down my bucktail. I didn't really want him to swallow it. I wanted to release him, give him a good catch and release, you know.
Hi, fish.
The only thing that seemed to be biting that day was a bunch of sea robins. I caught one after the other. One of them was about a 5-pounder, which was pretty big. Huge sea robin, biggest one I've ever seen. Those are the only things we were catching, so. Gotta say, this is a beautiful beach. The whole island of Chappaquiddick is really nice. It's very secluded and quiet, not a lot of traffic, not a lot of people. Some beautiful sand dunes, nice boardwalk, beautiful sunsets from the east and the west, nice salt marshes, plenty of wildlife, tons of wildlife, all kinds of birds and gulls, all kinds of stuff. We've seen bass. I caught a few striped bass when I was there. There was a horseshoe crab swimming around, bluefish, all kinds of wildlife. This place is nice and pristine. The only thing is they charge you $250 for a pass to drive on the beach, which I did not have. I was going to purchase one, but I didn't realize the cost. It's a yearly cost. You have to pay some kind of the trustees, I believe. I forget the exact details, but you got to pay the $250 to them so you can drive on this beach right here in front of you. That'll allow you to go up and down and fish off the beach and basically just put your vehicle out there. History of the area is this is where Ted Kennedy actually had the Chappaquiddick incident where he drove his car off the Dyke Bridge in July 18, 1969, and he killed Mary Jo Kopechny, I believe her name is. She was a passenger in his car, so this caused quite a hardship for the Kennedy family. All kinds of stuff going on with the presidency and the election. And they actually made a movie about this called Chappaquiddick, which I actually just watched recently. It was really good. So this place has quite a bit of history and quite a bit of beauty. I suggest going to take a look at it. If you get a chance to get out to Martha's Vineyard and get into Edgartown, take that ferry over. If you have mountain bikes, you can take a mountain bike down there and you can ride it. It's quite a ride, so make sure you bring plenty of water or maybe some snacks for some energy, because you're going to be driving a few miles. But this place is really nice. So this is going to conclude the second part of my series, Martha's Vineyard Mini Vacation, Chappaquiddick. This is part 2, Chappaquiddick. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up, click like, and if you want to see more of this content, please please click subscribe. I want to thank you all for watching.